one of the great things about coming to a place like this in China is just to see how the people actually live.
Yeah. This guy here has been building something. me and Kirk, JaYoe 60, we are not quite sure what he's doing, but he's pretty sure. Oh, you've been looking at Crazy Joe this whole morning. Crazy Joe builds his entire house out of bamboo the entire day and then takes it down the rest of the day. And then we've got Phyllis over here dyeing her clothes. There's a whole bunch of black dye that's coming off of that material every time she's dipping it in there. I'm curious of whether that material started out white or if it was like some sort of existing material and she just dyed it black. And we have Martha over here. Martha's going to work. She's got her bamboo rod over her shoulder.
Everybody's got a job.
Yeah, everybody's got a thing to do. And we're just a stupid tourists watching them go about their day.
But they haven't caught one fish. They haven't caught one fish since they're obviously not doing it right. Maybe a Canadian go down there and teach them what they're doing wrong, eh?
Joe and Jim here.
That's Frank and Jim. Joe's
Frank and Jim.
here.
Oh, okay, sorry. So yeah, this is Sanjiang, another section of Sanjiang. Apparently this is a pretty famous village, and as I was discussing in yesterday's episode, China has a whole bunch of different sorts of structures. You have the new, which is like Shanghai, Shenzhen, the modern metropolises. Then you have, yeah, Yo Fama. Hi Mayo. Then they have the new old, which was what we saw yesterday, which was like the traditional Dong minority buildings and structures that were rebuilt according to the original culture and techniques to look old, but it was really new, which is kind of interesting. China does that a lot, where they'll rebuild old ancient architecture and things like this to look like the original, but it's actually new. But then you got places like this, which some of it, obviously, like this building up here is old new, and this structure right here is old new. But there's a lot of buildings here that are the old, that are the original old buildings that have just been sort of kept up. And I mean, this village has been here pretty much like this for probably 1,000 years, at least a few hundred years. You can kind of feel it when you wake up in the morning. You hear the roosters crow and see people go about their business as their parents went about their business and their grandparents probably went about their business. Yesterday I saw a lady in the village and everybody was telling me, oh yeah, she's 95 years old. Kirk, JaYoe 60, who's on this trip with me among the Guangxi Discover Guangxi group, they who are kind of taking us on this little journey. They were we were all kind of discussing how in America we're sort of obsessed, in the West really, we're obsessed with medicine to keep us healthy, and you know, purified water under our sinks, and GMO, non-GMO this and all of this kind of thing. And I mean, these people, they're washing their clothes in the river still. I don't think they have an RODI system under their sink, and yet many of them are living till a respectable age. Pretty interesting though, you know. What's the right way? There's a whole bunch of ways to do it right. We're gonna wake up in the morning, roam around, check this place out. It's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna take you along with me. JaYoe.
Smells.
So what is this?
Fruit wine. Yeah.
Fruit wine.
Raspberry, made of raspberry.
Oh, I know this. I know this. We have a restaurant. Oh, this is really good. Kirk, did you try it?
That's hooch.
It's good. It's good.
Is that on your diet? Is that fruit?
That's not allowed, but it's allowed. I bend the rules.
This is a special tea for breakfast in Guangxi. Basically, everyone from Guangxi would like to have this for breakfast.
Okay.
The tea is in there. Yeah, that's tea. That's made of tea.
Okay.
In their theory, the tea is like the yin. It's cold.
Okay.
And this is like yang, it's hot. So they mix them together.
Okay. Yin yang.
Yeah.
The cold and the young.
What is it?
Young or
We got nangua. We've got some liver, right?
Yeah,
liver.
yeah.
And we got egg and onion and then beef, or is that? That's pork. Pork. And then what's that called? What's that called?
Gailan.
No. In English, that's
I don't know.
I really like that.
这不是菜心吗？菜花。
What's the name of it? Morning Glory. Morning Glory.
Is that what it is?
It's called Morning Glory.
Oh, that's romantic.
Yeah. Morning Glory. And then noodles.
Yeah.
But you forgot the innards.
Yeah. Oh, liver and asshole. That's very
Also,
good.
anus.
Yeah,
That's
liver and-
not.
It's anus.
It's.
Nice spread. Liver and intestine, right? Intestine?
Yeah.
Intestine.
It's anus.
You go farther enough down the intestine, you're gonna get to the asshole.
You're gonna get the
I asked them if they had coffee. They said no.
no coffee.
No coffee.
Coffee.
No soup for you. Actually, soup for you.
I bought some instant coffee, but it has sugar.
Wei Feng has that at the house too. Yeah. You want some of that? I said, I cannot drink. That's the worst.
It comes from every hotel that you stay at.
Yeah.
You save the coffees. We got a whole big box. But we have many toothbrushes and we have many combs. We have Wei Feng grabs everything. Right?
This is what every Guangxi Ren wakes up with and enjoys in the morning.
This is cereal with tea instead of milk.
It's not milk and cereal, it's tea and cereal.
Yeah.
Rice Krispies and tea.
牛奶麦片一样，只不过是茶麦片。下雨天。
Yeah.
When they pick tea leaves or work in the fields, they'll wear that.
地包 Charlie 地包
不是越南。
Howdy guys. We're gonna roam around the village and we're gonna do it traditional style.
Check this out.
Yeah. What do you got, Kirk?
Okay. These things here are actually scarecrows. The local farmers look at them as being gods, and they're there. They put them in the fields to protect their fields.
Oh.
So they put these gods in their fields to protect their fields.
Oh, you know what? I've seen a few of these around.
Actually, looks like my first wife. Become famous.
I had to take the hat off just because I wanted to get the pole closer to my head for the umbrella, and the hat was restricting that. Anyways, yeah, Jackie Chan came to this village in 2016. Filmed a movie. Liuzhou. This place is called Liuzhou, right?
And this is a county in Liuzhou city.
Okay. Sanjiang is
Sanjiang is a county. And
the county.
This is a small
Liuzhou.
village.
Yeah. Wow, yeah. Wow, that's Kirk in that picture. See him standing by the door? You see him? That's Kirk in the middle with the white shirt.
See these names? They're all people who donate for this village. Yeah. 5元, 10元, not too much.
Yeah.
Just a little bit money. 100元.
Oh wow, okay. 100 yen. You get your name in the plaque with 100 yen? That's interesting. That's a nice view.
From all over China, even in Henan province. I saw someone from Henan province donate like $10, 10 yuan.
10 yuan? Yeah. If I put it, would they put my name in there?
Right now, it's already built.
It's already done. It's already done. Give me a nail. Give me something to put on the wall. I'll build a little thing. This is going to be a real test of my ability to keep this camera dry. I have the GoPro, but this camera's got much better audio. Hello.
I like to say hello to the pretty girls also. You know, like my wife's not here. Are you? Hey, Bigby.
Lots of people are painting. There's a bunch of people painting on the side of the road. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Must be a school, an art school or something. Hello. Everybody's painting.
That's a straw raincoat for the villagers.
Straw raincoat.
Raincoat made of straw. You don't have the plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't you put that on? We want to see what it looks like.
I think if I pulled that off the wall, it would disintegrate. You guys thirsty at all? Hey, Guaylo. Kirk, you thirsty?
What do you got?
你可以喝一半，我可以喝一半。You eat it. You drink half. I drink half. Okay.
Okay, you drink the top half.
Okay. Sounds like a good deal. Yeah. 可以给我一点点，我要问。What is this?
阿姨，这个黄黄的是什么？酒。查一下。What they use for?
Got a lot of carbs in it.
The yellow thing is what they use to
Barley, maybe?
Ferment the rice, not barley.
What are they singing when you go dun da hoo? What are they saying? Is it a word or is it just a song?
No, they just that's a word of Dong language. Just that means toast. Drink.
Like ganbei.
Yeah.
Like ganbei. And how's it go? How do you say it?
I don't know Dong language.
I didn't know if you heard it enough times.
No, that's
something.
The first time.
Yeah, something.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's when they want you to let's drink. Let's drink.
Yeah. Come on. Oh. So basically what's happening here is these ladies have blocked the road. Traditionally, just like the game, block the road. And so they're singing, and then the people that want to go up the road are singing, and hopefully they get permission to break the road and allow them to break the roadblock and go on up. They're trying to get him to sing. He's gonna sing a little bit.
since is when I died at a very old age, I will wait for you because I love you. I will wait for you in some, in some another world. I'll wait for you.
On the other side. I'll wait for you on the other side. And then if they sing good enough, the gate opens up.
Yeah. They just finished the ritual. There are a lot of city kids like me growing up listening to English songs like Green Day or Linkin Park, like that, Even like Aerosmith, the Beatles, we're listening to that. So we were not familiar with this kind of Chinese folklore. We're not familiar. You see these signs? They tell you how to speak Dong language. Husband means Sao. You see? Sao.
Yeah. It's nice to see cultural activities retained, They've got like all sorts of things around that teach you the local Dong language. What about this? Is that a pea? Wop? Wop? Flower. Wop. Flower. Wop.
Wop. That's an Italian, isn't it?
It's a wop. So sewing is sort of a special thing in the village. So they have these looms, and I guess they're going to do a show for us. There's some really important people coming to like validate the village as like a tourist spot. Like they're going to come by and take a look. So there's a lot of people that are practicing these sort of traditional rituals, and so we get the benefit of seeing them practice. So maybe the lady that we saw this morning with the dyed clothing, that was part of this process. Is it cotton or is it some sort of other material like hemp or something?
I don't know, maybe cotton.
Somebody from Guangxi is going to come out here and validate the city as like is that them?
Yeah, okay. Sit in front rows.
So they're watching and saying, okay, this village has a lot to offer, let's open it up for more tourism.
Give this area a 5A grading. If you're 5A grading, you're just like grading in Yangshuo. 4A is lower. 3A is even lower.
What is the rating here now?
The rating is 4A, I guess.
Okay, so they're looking to bump it up to a 5.
Yeah. If you're at 5A, you can get more promotion and advertisements on national stage, national tourism. And he can sing.
And he sang pretty good.
The farmers pick the tea leaves and dry them, and they can sell to customers, the tourists.
Ooh, that's nice. It smells great. Do they take WeChat? I would buy a bag from my brother-in-law.
You can use WeChat.
Yeah, okay. Ask them to give me something that's traditional, local to this area. That's really their favorite.
So this is called yellow tea. It's for your stomach and sleep.
Okay.
And this is flower tea, red teas, early leaves maybe.
Okay. 这个杯可以吗？
这个不是，你等一下他帮你洗一下。我等然后两个人，他想跟我两个上去。这个装好了。
那个会录茶嘞。
Oh, it's very fruity. Very fruity.
Our guide, local guide said,
領導跟人。
don't buy any tea from here. It's no different from outside.
Really?
She said that. She said.
Xiaobo said that?
No, our guide, that girl, the girl from the hotel. She said, you tell him not to buy.
You know why? She knows a guy that if she gets the rice bought from this guy, she gets a kickback. Don't buy from here. Buy from this other place.
I don't know.
那这个茶呢？这个绿色的那个是
Maybe she was.
好喝 Very
是
good.
今年的。
Maybe she thinks it. Oh, 谢谢。Sanjiang Village, the early spring tea in Sanjiang.
It's very good, actually.
It's green tea.
That's a very nice, flavorful green tea, though. That's a really good green tea.
That's a nice flavor. It's really nice. I want to buy.
I'm gonna buy a bag. You're gonna buy back.
100
How much?
100 grams， 100克是吧？150克。
I tried some. I'm gonna buy a couple of bags actually for brother. We can drink together. I think I just bought some overpriced tea. But you know what? It's gonna help the village. That's good for me. You took my umbrella. So this bridge was built without a nail or a fastener, you know. This is like old. It's the actual old structure that's been retained. One is fine. Run! Run from the aunties! Run from the grandmas! Wow, look at that bridge. I didn't see that from the sky. This is like a videographer's paradise. You can point the camera in any direction and get something beautiful. You can look over here, you see they're basically like Chinese scarecrows.
We're from an art school in Guangzhou, maybe.
In Guangzhou?
In Guangzhou, not Guangxi.
Hello. What year student are you? Like every 5 minutes, Kirk's stopping for a while to chat to the camera, just like I'm doing right now.
We head back to our hotel and we'll pass
Get ready to go.
Trump Tower.
Trump Tower?
No, the Trump.
Trump Tower? Damn, you're everywhere.